Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to update Roblox. I show you guys how to do it. So whenever you open Roblox, Roblox will update on its own. But if that doesn't work for you, then you just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select uninstall your program. Find Roblox. Just right click on the Roblox player and select uninstall. After uninstalling it, just close stuff here and open up a browser. Search Roblox download and select the first link. Select the download Windows app and it will start downloading. This will automatically download the up-to-date version of Roblox. Now after getting download done, you can install it. After the installation done, you can play in up-to-date Roblox. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.